Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sachin from the Dial Diaries. So let's dive into the video. This is my channel. Here I talk about passion for my watches. So today we are unboxing and reviewing of HMT's iconic watch, the HMT Janta. So basically there is one name stands out above and all in Indian watchmaking history is the HMT Janta. The iconic timepiece marked HMT's debut in the world of horology and was launched by none other than our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. This watch was found in an era of newfound independence and the demand for watches in the nation was increasing. So our beloved PM launched this new HMT Janta. This watch was launched at that time. The first watch of HMT was the HMT Janta, and this is our first watch, the HMT Janata. Janta in Hindi translates to public, and this watch was dedicated to the people of India. Since the beginning, the watch featured a simplistic design, a classic look indeed, featuring a 35 case, approximately 11 thickness, including a domed crystal, and this is a acrylic glass. And this watch is powered by a manually winding 17 jewel move. It embodies the essence of no frills timekeeping. As you can see in the watch that here is written is a PASOK 17 jewels. This is a mechanical watch. This watch features a red hand and an hour marker at 3, 6, 9 and 12 and are styled in a handwritten fonts. The case is complemented with a steel strap. As you can see that this watch has a steel strap. What makes this even more specific is the Janata, even more specifically, is its original unpolished condition. This watch has a power reserve of up to 24 hours on fully winding. This HMT Janta watch is worn by our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru ji and Indira Gandhi ji. This watch is stainless steel watch, and as you can see on the dial, it is a made in India watch with a caliber of 0211. This is a stainless steel watch with a metal strap. The case diameter of the watch is around 35 with 20 of stainless steel strap. This is a 17 jewel Parashock watch. This watch features a dome shaped acrylic glass. Mechanical watches are a timeless piece of engineering marvels. As you can see that mechanical watches operates purely through mechanical means. Mechanical watches are harnesses integrate system of gears, springs and oscillatories to keep time. These watches are sleek design in all stainless steel case. Very sleek watch. This is a hand winding mechanical watch. This watches runs on a mechanical power stored by rotating the key or router in upward direction. In order to run the watch, you have to wind the key. Thing to note that this watches has a sweeping hands. Since this watches doesn't have battery, so they are eco-friendly. This is from my unique collection which is rarely available. Now I am showing you how this watch will look on my wrist. This watch has a case diameter of 35 and I think it will look perfect on every Indian wrist sizes. The dial of the watch is art deco. It's handmade dial. This is a art deco inspired dial. This watch has a thickness of 11 including a domed crystal. So that's it for the today's video, my friend. Hope you like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, stay away from cheap Chinese brand watches which uses cheap mechanism and movement. Instead, get this HMT watch which will last long and you will definitely carry a rich history along yourself. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care. See you in my next video.